Why sebaceous filaments always come back. The truth about nose pores. You clean your pores. The nose looks smoother. The dots disappear. Everything looks great for a few days. Then suddenly, they come back. Many people think the treatment failed. But the truth is much more interesting. Today we're answering one of the biggest skincare questions. Why do sebaceous filaments always come back? First, what are sebaceous filaments? Sebaceous filaments are not dirt. They are not trapped debris. And they are not necessarily blackheads. They are natural structures inside pores that help transport oil from deep within the skin to the surface. Every person has them. Why extraction doesn't remove them forever? This is the biggest misconception. Extraction removes the visible oil content inside the pore. But it does not remove the pore itself. And it does not stop oil production. Once the skin starts producing oil again, the filament gradually becomes visible again. Think of it like a natural pipeline. Imagine a water pipe. Emptying the pipe doesn't remove the pipe. The same thing happens with sebaceous filaments. Cleaning the pore removes the contents temporarily, but the pore continues doing its job. Why they are most visible on the nose. The nose contains some of the most active oil glands on the face. More oil means more visible pores, more visible sebaceous filaments, quicker refilling after cleaning. That's why the nose is usually the first area where people notice them. What deep pore cleaning actually does. Deep pore cleaning can, white heavy checkmark, improve pore appearance. White heavy checkmark, remove excess oil buildup. White heavy checkmark, smooth skin texture. White heavy checkmark, make pores look cleaner. But it cannot permanently stop sebaceous filaments from existing. How to make them less noticeable. The goal is not permanent removal. The goal is management. Consistent skincare can help reduce excess oil, improve texture, keep pores cleaner looking, minimize visible buildup. Expectations versus reality. Expectation. Pore cleaning removes sebaceous filaments forever. Reality. Pore cleaning temporarily reduces their appearance. Understanding this difference helps create realistic skincare goals. Final results. Before, visible sebaceous filaments and oily pore appearance. After, cleaner looking pores and smoother texture. A realistic improvement, not a permanent removal. Final message. Sebaceous filaments come back because they're supposed to. They're part of how healthy skin functions. The goal isn't to eliminate them forever, it's to keep them looking less noticeable. If you enjoyed learning why sebaceous filaments always come back, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more skincare education, pore cleaning guides, and satisfying extraction videos.